Hi, welcome to my channel Mathemagic with Mohsin Raza. Uh, Here in this video, we are going to discuss this question that is related to this right angle triangle that says that we have to find the value of the tangent alpha in terms of x, where x is given in this right angle triangle as a base side, and the other two triangles we can see that there were blue one and the green one, and we have to use these triangles to find the value of the tangent alpha. So before watching this video, please subscribe my channel to watch more interesting videos and concepts. So here let's start solve this question. So since the right angle triangle is given to us as this one, so if we assume that this angle in the small triangle is beta, let's say, then we can see that this so here this was the x. Okay, so this was the x. So then the tangent beta will be what? So in this case, the tangent beta will be 3 over x, which is opposite over base. And what would be the tangent of alpha plus beta? So if you look that the tangent alpha plus beta is an angle which is formed in this bigger triangle, which is this one, and here this is here this is the uh, alpha plus beta angle, and here the opposite of this right angle triangle is 7, because 4 plus 3 is 7 and the base is x, so this will be equals to 7 over x. Okay, so now these two information we get from here, and we have to find what is the value of the tangent alpha. So we know that the trigonometric identity says that tangent of alpha plus beta is same as tangent alpha plus tangent beta over 1 minus tangent alpha tangent beta. So by using this identity we get what? From here we get that this is tangent alpha plus tangent beta over 1 minus tangent alpha tangent beta, and that is will be equals to 7 over x. So what we have to determine? We have to determine this tangent alpha. So we just plug the values of tangent beta in this form, and we simplify and do the some algebraic manipulation to find the tangent alpha. So here that this is tangent alpha will as it is, and this will be 3 over x over 1 minus tangent alpha into 3 over x will be equals to 7 over x, and then by cross multiplication we get what? We get x into tangent alpha plus 3 over x equals to 7 minus, and this 7 will multiply with this one, and which makes it 21 over x times tangent alpha. Okay, so here that will make x tangent alpha plus 3 equals to 7 minus 21 over x tangent alpha. So if we take 3 to other side and this one to other side, what we get? We get x tangent alpha plus 21 over x tangent alpha equals to 7 minus 3 will be 4. So from here we can take common tangent alpha and we get what? So inside we get x plus 21 over x, and which will be equals to 4. And by simplifying, again this is our algebraic manipulation that says that by taking the LCM we get x square plus 21 equals to 4. Now multiplying the x over x square plus 21 over the both side, we get tangent alpha equals to 4x over x square plus 21, right? So this is the value of tangent alpha that we need to determine. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe the channel before for watching the more interesting videos. Thank you.